Hello everyone, this is Sri Ramya. So it's been many days I uploaded the video about academic and also if there is any amendments and all. So it's been quite a days and I'm happy to share that I'm a qualified company secretary now. Hereafter I don't want to say semi-qualified and I'm in the process of getting membership. So I've been through for CLTP residential and non-residential program. So in the residential program in CLDP, it's a very great initiative taken by the ICSI. There you will be seeing real you, like what is the focus, and it's most of a communication and how we need to interpret the things and all. So it's a very great session and initiative by the ICSI. Thank you ICSI for making this program successful, and everyone is looking forward for this impactful session for the students who have cleared their exams and everything. And with regard to this video, I wanted to share a news about ICSA Moot Court competition, which is going to be held on 8th August 2026. So this is a moot court competition. It is only for the CS students. Unfortunately, I couldn't this time. So I been participated twice in the national moot court competition. We ended up being a runner in the All India National Moot Court competition. So it's all about there will be giving a case law, so we have to prepare accordingly, petitioner and the respondent. It's better, it's always to prepare both sides. We don't know what side we are going to play in the competition side and everything. So this is a wonderful competition by the ICSI, because in the competition, while preparing for it, you will get to know to see number of case laws, rules, and if there is any amendments, how to interpret and everything. So this is a competition really helped me to clear exams, sometimes also every section is very important, and how to interpret. You will get to know how seriousness, even while drafting the memorial is something, we have to prepare the facts of the case and what is your arguments and petitions and the respondents, and how well you will be imaginating and how well the hypothetical questions you will be handling. They will check every corner of the facts of the case as well. So this is a wonderful competition. My appeal to students, for every student, is whoever so pursuing CS course, who is serious, who have some time and who is working also, they can actually try this competition. It's not always winning or losing. You'll get to know how really things are in the litigation side. So please do, if you have some time, please do participate in the moot court competition. You'll get a very good exposure and the experience is impeccable. So thank you.